Welcome to part 3 of the Maintena Getting Started video series. In this video, we will be working on audit templates and scheduling. First, we'll open the Audits module, and we'll navigate over to the Templates section, and we'll start by adding a new template. Choose which locations you want the template to be used at, give it a title, a description if you'd like, and then enter a time target if you'd like to track actual versus estimated time for completing audits. Now we'll go ahead and edit the template and create our first section. We'll call this section 1, and we'll add a new check type. So the check type for this one will be true/false. Create a label for the check. In this case, does it turn on? You can add help text if you'd like to add more information for the user who will be completing the check. Now we can select what format we'd like the true/false check to be in. In this case, we'll use a button group, and the button group will say yes or no. You can have that as true/false. Before we add a reference file, we'll save our changes so they aren't overwritten when we add the reference file. Now we'll drag a reference file from our computer into the drop window. The file's uploading, and now that file will be available to any user who's completing this audit check in the future. Now we will add a numeric audit check. This will allow us to see if a number value falls within a specific range. We start by setting the label, adding any help text, and setting the unit of measurement if we want to add that as more information. At the bottom you'll see pass-fail logic, and this is where you can add minimums and maximums for the passing value of the numeric audit check. Now we will add a text input audit check. This check type will allow the users to enter information in an open text box. Now that we have our first audit template, we can schedule a group of audits. Start by clicking on the New Plan button in the top right-hand corner and selecting your audit template. If you would like this audit to be recurring based on date, check the Make Recurring selector box. For a recurring audit, select how often you would like the audit to be completed and when they should be scheduled. Select the start date for the audit schedule and choose how many audits you would like to schedule. Give your audit schedule a good title and select which location and asset this schedule is for. Finally, select the user who will be assigned to the audit, and you're done. You can edit the details of an individual audit or the audit schedule by clicking the Edit button of an audit from the dashboard. In this example, we will reassign the user for the first audit in the schedule. On the audit dashboard, you can also delete one or all audits in a schedule. In this example, we will delete a single audit. Let's take a quick look at the global filters at the top of the application. You can filter audits and tickets by due date, by asset, by location, or by a specific user.